Hey there, in this video I will show you exactly how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. Open up WhatsApp on your phone. Click on three dots from the top right corner. Go into Settings. Scroll down to Chats. Then go into Chat Backup. Click on Backup to Google Drive. Choose the backup option as Daily. Then click on the Backup button. Go into the File Manager of your phone. Click on Device Storage. Tap on the Android file. Then go into the Media folder. Click on the WhatsApp file from here. Then in here, you found a backup file. Open it up. See the backup file data. Then go back to the database folder to see its data. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.